Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Hayden Rowe haul. Another one, yes. After my first one, I was just like, you know what? There were a few things I wanted to go back for, and there's also some things I wanted to try. I've really been into laundry scents or trying to find laundry scents. So she seems to have a good variety of like fresh air type scents. And I've kind of been through a couple other vendors. If you've been watching me for a while, I tend to always go for their fresh scents. So I wanted to try something, somebody else's take or whatever. So, and then also on Instagram as well, I saw that a lot of people were commenting about the throw being really strong. So that's always a bonus. So I just decided, what the hell, let's go for it. So the first sample that I got is Cabana. And I think I mentioned this in my last video, but the ducks are just super cute for me. I don't know what it is about a duck. Maybe it reminds me of like a bath or something. I don't know. Cute. Cabana definitely has some sort of coconut. I don't have scent descriptions. I'm sorry. Most of these are self-explanatory. Some of them aren't. But I feel like this has some sort of coconut, and that would make sense being called Cabana. I'm not sure how I feel about coconut sometimes, so that one, is going to have to be warmed, of course. Fresh Air. I was excited to get this one because, like I said, I was looking for like the fresh air, laundry, linen type scents. I swear this oil goes around through quite a few different vendors because I've smelled this before. I'm trying to think of where I smelled it. Is it rude to mention another vendor in another vendor's video? I don't know. I feel like, okay, I'm just going to do it because I feel like it's okay to, as long as you're supporting them all and like not knocking anybody. I feel like this scent reminds me of VCS. What is that scent? Oh, geez. And now I can't, not Million Dollar Mermaid. Is it Cape Cod? Does she have a scent called Cape Cod? It's kind of reminding me of that. Cape Cod, shoot, I don't know. I'd have to get, I think I'm getting, no, I'm not getting Cape Cod. I think I have Cape Cod somewhere. I don't know. Anyways, this is going all over the place. Okay, the next one is Bahama Mama. Oh, this must be some sort of fruity, this smells like maybe like a pina colada. Or pineapple. Yes, that has pineapple in it. Pineapple for sure. These like a few, this one and, let me get my words out. This one and this one I'll probably warm in my daughter's room because they're not like my favorite on cold. But Fresh Air, I'd probably go for it in my kitchen or living room or probably bedroom since they're a little bit smaller size. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into I'd mostly got scent shots this go around just to try some out. I can't remember, did I try her violet sugar cookies the last time or not? I don't remember, but I did grab a violet sugar cookies because I did love Destination Waxes. I think it's called Ghostess. It's kind of the same thing, and it's kind of also along the line of Violet from VCS, which I love. So I was like, if I can find another, like if I can't get either of those, if I can't get Violet, which is my favorite, I'll find a second one. And this smells pretty dang close. This is good. This is really nice. I love violet mixed with bakery. That's what the scent shot looks like if you're curious. Sorry, it's a really rainy, dark day outside today, but it's like rainy and dark, but it's warm. It's like super warm. Oh, this smells really good. This is an instant favorite. I don't even have to warm it. It's good. I wanted to try, I keep seeing everyone with Apricot Rose, so I was like, what the hell, let's try this one. Even though I'm not the biggest floral fan, I thought maybe the apricot, or apricot, however you say it. This one's really nice. I just warmed a white nectarine scent from another vendor, and it was good. So I like those like really bright, fresh, and crisp fruits. That's really nice. The rose is not too strong on that one either. Okay, next I have woolen mittens. This smells like downy to me, I think. I'm not very good at the laundry, knowing like the laundry scents. What is that downy or like snuggle? Maybe it's snuggle. I always get confused. I don't know my laundries very well. It smells nice though. I think my friend Candy told me about this one. I think she said she picked that one up from the last time that she ordered. I grabbed a kitchen towel. This is like kind of like an impulse purchase. So this has an herbal scent to it. Kind of like when you go to like, maybe like grandma's house, or if you had like a wealthy grandma and she had one of those like glass jar soap dishes that she bought from like, you know, that was already pre-filled. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like maybe like Williams Sonoma or something, like a soap from there. That's what this is making me think of. It smells like a lemon herbal. Gosh, it must be like a dupe of something. Because I feel like this has been around somewhere. I need to keep notes. Like when I smell like a dupe of something, I need to write it down because I'm horrible at remembering. Lavender Fizz. I think I might have ordered this one from before and I wanted more because it was really good. Yeah, it smells just like the other Lavender Fizz that I love from another vendor. Really, really good. Oh, and always her packaging came like perfect. Everything looked really nice in the box. I'm not gonna show you. This one is ocean water, but I think it's supposed to be ocean water soda. I think that's what it was called on the website because I didn't order ocean water, but it says on the, this is on here, ocean water soda. So I think it's just labeled ocean water. I think it's supposed to be based off a Sonic drink. Whoa, this one has coconut. I've never had an ocean water from Sonic. Can you believe that? Actually, I think someone told me to get one time, like a long time ago. Is that what it tastes like? Oh, coconut? I'll have to try sometime. Okay, my neatness factor just went downhill. This next one I have is Spindrift, and I think I heard my friend, I don't really talk to her. I think we talk through YouTube, but I think it was Ophelia Melts Spindrift. I thought I heard her talk about this in one of her empties. And I think she said it was a nice laundry, so I grabbed this one. This one, what? I don't know, I don't smell Tide or Gain. It's definitely laundry-ish. If you guys know, by any chance, if any of these are dupes of anything or what have you, let me know. Okay, so this one here, I think is mislabeled. When I got my order in, I noticed, I was like, black linen? I don't think I ordered black linen. So I looked at my receipt and I actually ordered beach linen. So I emailed, I think it's Christina, right away. I think she got back to me like within like a minute. She was back with me, which is like super nice. So I asked her if it was a possibility that maybe this was mislabeled, and she did tell me the color that beach linen should be. And so I think this is beach linen. I think it just got mislabeled. So there's that. I think she said black linen was more of a gray color and beach linen was blue. So I actually did get the correct one. So Christina, if you're watching, thank you. She refunded me right away, and I was like, no, it's fine because I like the scent of black linen if that's what it is, but it is actually beach linen, I think. So yeah, that does actually smell really good. Kind of got like a little bit of like that suntan lotion note going on. You know, and you guys too, when you guys comment as well, it's so funny. When you guys commented the other day, we were talking about My Pretty. I think it might have been, oh shoot, I'm sorry, I can't remember who it was now. Sorry, my camera's all jacked up. We were talking and I was saying how in My Pretty, I mostly got Mac Apple, and she was saying she didn't. And I thought it was so funny how different our noses are. So if you have a different, like if you think something smells different to you than how I'm describing it, let me know, because I always like to know that. you know, it just shows how different all of our noses are. It's so weird. Zen Garden. This one I really like. I didn't know if I was gonna like it. This one was actually just kind of a last minute like add-on, like screw it. I'm already ordering anyways. This is, oh, that's just like nice and, what is in here? This is really nice. It's kind of got like a perfumey, but not, maybe like a spa perfume. I don't know. This one, you know, you always got to get these things in the warmer first before you like actually form a true opinion. I might like that on cold, but hate it on warm. So, and then I grabbed a second lavender fizz. And then the last thing I got, I think that was everything. Oh, and of course, I wait till the end. I love that she gives these little post-it notes. I love, so she said, Kimberly, thank you for another great order. So I thought that was sweet that she remembered that this was another order for me. And then this, of course, we've all seen that. And then gratitude turns what we have into enough. I like that a lot. And that is very true. Okay, so the last thing I grabbed, and I asked on the website, the Facebook page, about ginger ale, because I thought it might be close to cold ginger ale, but Sasha actually chimed in, and I think she nailed it. I think she said that this ginger ale smells more like a room temperature standing ginger ale rather than a super cold ginger ale, if that makes sense. And it totally did to me. After I smelled it again, I was like, yeah, that totally makes more sense. I thought I was getting kind of like a root beer from it, but not at all. It's what I was smelling was that lack of cold to it, if that makes any kind of sense. Yeah, it's like, I mean, it's a more, to me, it's a ginger ale, but it's more like you can smell more of that ginger ale because the cold is not there. I really like cold ginger ale, so this one may be a hit or miss for me. I'm not really sure. But anyways, okay, so that is my order. Always super excited to try new vendors, and it's rare for me to go back in after a first order and just place a second one without really warming anything. But just based on the scents and hearing about the strength and the throw and stuff, I wasn't really like too worried about it. I trust like when people say, oh my gosh, whoa, hello. This is horrible. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it here. Anyways, all right, sorry, this is kind of a messy haul here. But anyway, so I am continually warming through my vendor weeks, so I feel like I'm getting through quite a bit of wax that way. But I was telling someone the other day that I sort of am reaching my saturation point. But again, like wax is kind of like the only hobby I have. Like that's the only thing that I probably spend like fun money on, you know, except for like essentials, like if I need like makeup or like clothes or something or shoes or that kind of thing. Like that's a different fund, you know. So the only fun money I really spend on is wax. So it's kind of like my only vice right now, and there could be a lot worse things you could, you know, be hoarding or, you know, if boxes start piling up on the side of the computer room, then we might have troubles. But right now it's fine. So I'm not like, you know, but I am sort of reaching like my saturation level with scents. Like I'm just like, you know, you kind of get to that point. I don't know. We talked about this in another video. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I thought it was going to stay and then it fell. A good time to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.